Hello everyone on our channel, this is the rubric Men's Cuisine. Today I'm going to cook baked mackerel with mozzarella cheese without cutting the belly and the head. Very juicy, tasty and healthy. Very easy and very tasty as usual. Enjoy it! What we will need: 2 medium-sized mackerel, 350 gram each, mozzarella cheese 150 gram, 75 gram on each fish, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon for each fish, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of sweet red paprika. Let's start. First step that we need to do is to clean our fish. As I said before, without cutting the belly and the head. How to cut it in such way and other methods you could find on our channel, and also you could find the link just below this video. But let me shortly show you the procedure. Took the tweezers or 2 long sticks, thread the fish and start to scroll it. Just like that, and pull everything that doesn't need. Very easy, isn't it? And to finish our cleaning process, in this place you also need to thread and pull the rest of entrails. Cleaning of the mackerel done, without any entrails and gills. Right now I will wash it under the stream of the water. I will salt it in a food container within 10 minutes. Just took prepared salt and pepper and mix it together. Put fish in a container in which we will salt it within 10 minutes. Inside each fish I will put such spoon of salt and pepper mix. And you need to shake it. That salt will spread evenly. The same with another one. And roll it. The rest of salt and pepper just pour our fish. Leave it for 10 minutes. At this time took cheese, rub it on grate, just like this. Spread it on a plate and add here large-sized chopped paprika. Mix it. Stuffing is done. Take mackerel, open her gills part, take cheese and start to stuff it. And the same procedure with next fish. Well oil the grill and put onto it our mackerel. We will bake it with the temperature 180 degrees Celsius, 35-40 minutes. It's been 7 minutes and we need to turn over our fish onto another side. That these grill marks could be from both sides. You could also oil it from time to time. It's been 40 minutes and our mackerel done. This is how it looks. Right now it will need to cool off and you could serve it as cold as well as hot. Very juicy with amazing smell. Right now it looks like that. It became very tight. Now we could cut it. So baked mackerel stuffed with cheese done. Very tasty and very delicate. Thanks for watching this video. Click the like button and subscribe. We will definitely have something tasty for you. Cook tasty and make your life tasty. See you soon. Bye bye.